Boom, what's up? So here is a quick question for you. Are you running goalers, right? So, but still not sure which is actually working for you. Maybe you're tired changing headlines or messages or description or call out, and you had no idea if it helps or not. It helped or hurt. Okay. So today I'm going to show you something called A/B testing. And don't worry, it sounds technical, but it is actually super simple. Okay. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to test your goalers the right way. So stop stop wasting money and start getting more real customers. So let's get into it. So this video is the part of our goalless weekly optimization series. This is the second video of goalless weekly optimization. Okay, so and today we're talking about only A/B testing. So now, what is A/B testing? In, in simple words, it's mean you create two versions of your work. One is version A, one is version B, and you show both to real people, and then you check which one is doing better for your business, which one brought more leads for your business. Okay, so that's it. That's A/B testing. Simple, right? So the goal is always the same. Make smarter decision with real data. No, no, not wishes. Okay. What is it now? Okay, let me explain how A/B testing actually works step by step. Step one, you create two versions of us. You create version A and version B of you, right? Okay. Step two is you change only one thing between them. Maybe it's just a headline or description or just a offer or call out anything. Okay. And step three is you split your traffic. Half of your audience sees version A and half your audience sees version B. And step four is you measure the results. Which version brought more more lists, more book jobs, better cost. And step five is you make a decision based on what the data shows. Okay. So now here is something very important. Evidence is not just randomly changing things and helping and hoping for the best. Evidence is making controlled decision with clear plan. Always ask yourself, which person bring more qualified leads and book jobs at a better cost? This is the real question. Okay, this is the real thing. Now let me show you how a proper structure it takes as 4 weeks. Okay, week one. This is setup and launch week. You find a problem or opportunity in ours. You write a clear hypothesis, meaning you predict what will happen. Then you launch the week. Okay. Then our week two. This is monitor week. You watch the data carefully. You make sure everything is running correctly. But and this is very important. You do not make any decision yet. It's too early. And week three. Now you're just looking for early insight. You check results by device type, by keyword. You look for patterns. Okay, is mobile doing better? Is one keyword is winning? And week four is this decision week. You look at all the data. You decide a winner. You apply that winner in your account, and then you start the next test. So think of it cycle that keeps repeating every 4 weeks. Your ads get a little bit better. Okay, now what can you actually test? Great question. Here are same 7 high value things you can test in your Google Ads. Number A is the offer message. For example, same day service versus 24/7 emergency. So which one gets more response from people? Number B, the landing page. Do people convert more on a generic page or on a page that mentions the city, the service, and shows trust bases, also includes social proof, etc. etc. Okay. And number C is the conversion part. Does a long contact from work better or simple call now better? And number D is audience and location. Should you target just your core areas or also nearby sub areas? Okay. Number E is build strategy. Should you tell Google like maximize conversion or use a target cost per acquisition? And number F is keyword intent. Oh, as like plumber near me versus emergency plumber. Very different people are saying with very different urgency. So test two. Okay. And the last one is trust element. Does license and institute work better? Or 49 stars over 2000 jobs done? Which one is better? So pick one of these and test it and learn from it and then test the next one. So now let's talk about what you should actually be measuring. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. Okay. So number one, The most important message is booked jobs. Did real customer actually book your service? And number two is qualified leads. Not just any lead, real people who actually need a service and can pay for it. Number three is cost per qualified lead. How much are you spending to get one good lead? Okay. And there is a big mistake. Uh, there is big mistake beginners make, and they focus only on sitter click-through rates. Uh, Click-through rate. And Consider tells you how many people click to it. That sounds good, right? But click do not equal customers. Someone can click your ad and then leave. So that cost you money with zero radar. So always focus on real business result, book jobs and qualified leads, not just only click. Okay. So in here. Okay, now let me show you a real example. Meet rapid plumbing. They ran So they ran an A/B test. Version A was their original ad, and version B had a new message, emergency service focused. Okay, so in here just a difference. In here version A, 1100 for a click, and in here 1227 click. In here CTR also improved, so 6.0%. Also our leads 96 to improve 129, and our quality is 52 to 79, and also our quality is 64%, 66% increase, and also book just 21 to 34. So which one is better? Okay, so here the actual important part, the qualified lead. Okay, so in here you see qualified lead 79 is version B, but in here 52, just only 52. Okay, and also cost per qualified lead. Version A cost per qualified lead, right? 50 qualified cost per qualified lead. 129 are here 98.60. That means version B is cheaper and better. And the best results of all book jobs, version A got 21 book jobs. So version B got 34. That is 62% more actual customers. So version B is clear winner, and this is the exactly why we said. Okay. Now here is something really interesting from the rapid data. Version B delivers the message on the strongest on mobile phones. Why? Because when someone has an emergency, like a pipe bursting, they grab their phone and starts writing, and the emergency message connect perfectly with that urgent beating. It's like your fridge is not cloning. Your so you just search in Google and just call the fridge repair service. Okay, so it's an emergency service. So it's normal. But this is very important. Version B did not win for the keyword drain cleaning. Drain cleaning is not emergency. It's a routine job. So the emergency message does not connect the same day. So the lesson is do not apply one winning message to every single ad in your account. Apply it where it makes sense. Match your message to the intent of the person searching. Person need emergency service. So always in this ad group, in this ad, you only focus just emergency. Okay. Always matching the match intent. So let's look at the lead quality numbers one more time because they really tell the story. Version had a qualified lead 54%, 54.2%. Okay. And version B had a qualified lead rate of 66.4%. So that is a 12 point important improvement. That means out of every 100 leads, version B gave you 12 more real customer. Okay, and the final result 62% more book jobs. In here 62% more book. So this is why lead quality matters more than lead quantity. Getting more leads means nothing if they are not right people. Now, when your A/B test is done, there are four possible outcomes. Let me walk you through each one. Question 1. Clear winner. Version B improved the cost per qualified lead by 25% or more consistently across all segments, right? So you can apply that winner right away and scale it up. Outcome 2 is partial winner. Version B only wins for certain keywords like emergency terms, but not for routine service searches. So your action roll it out selectively and only to the ad groups where it actually works. And outcome 3 is no difference. The click rate change, but the lead quality and cost stayed the same. So your action is keep your original ad, then go back and test something stronger. And the last one is false winner. Version B looks like it won, but only because of usually traffic like brand mention or a one-time swipe. Your action do not apply it yet. Wait for more data to confirm. So understanding these four outcomes help you make a smarter decision, not emotional ones. Alright, before I continue, let me tell you the biggest mistakes people make with A/B testing. Avoid these and will be way ahead. So mistake one. Mistake one is declaring a winner too early. One group means nothing. Wait for enough data. Mistake two is using CTR as the main KPI. As I said earlier, clicks are not revenue. Step 3 is changing too many things at once. If you change the headline and the offer and the landing page, you will never know what actually worked. And mistake 4, ignoring lead quality. Bad leads can make a losing version look like a owner. And our mistake 5, testing weak differences. Our testing best plumber versus top plumber is not a real test. The difference is too small. Test mistake number 6, testing during unstable periods, holiday promotions or system outages will mess your data. And the last one is not documenting your learnings. If you don't write down what you learned, and your account will repeat the same mistakes over and over. So now let's talk about local services and also called LSA. That is different from regular Googlers. With local service ad, you don't pay per clicks, you pay for actual leads. So the testing approach is a little different. Okay. The main thing that after your local services ranking are your bid amount, your review count, and rating. The photos of your profile, on your profile, your business hours, and how fast you response to leads and your service category. So let me show you a real example. In this test, a business reduced their average lead response time from 14 minutes down to just 4 minutes. Okay. So the result, they went from 86 total leads to 101. Qualified leads went from 49 to 55, and cost per qualified lead dropped $92 down to $70. The lesson here is really important for local service. Not all A/B tests are about ad copy. Some of best improvements come from operational changes, like how fast you pick up the phone or reply to a message. So because with local searches, you are paying for valid lead. So lead quality is everything. Okay, so let me give you the complete 10 steps system you can use every week. Number one, define the business problem. What exactly are you trying to fix and improve? Number two is build a clear hypothesis. For example, if I change the headline to emergency messaging, I expect to get more qualified leads. Step three is choose only one variable to test. Step four is choose your primary KPI. What is the main thing you are measuring? Book jobs, cost per lead. And number five is choose your secondary KPIs. This support your main metrics. Number six is set a test duration, 2 or 4 days. Don't rush it. And step seven is set up the test fairly. Same location, same budget, same tracking for both versions. And step 8. Launch the test using Google Experience tool or add variations. Step 9. Every week review results by device, by keyword, and by lead quality. And the last step is make your decisions, apply the winner, achieve the test, and start the next one. So this is the repeating cycle. Every time you go through it, okay, your account gets stronger. So, all right, let's wrap everything up with the key principles. First, test smartly, changes only one variable at a time. Focus on real business KPI. Run the test for at least 2 or 4 weeks. Keep everything fair and controlled. And second, analyze deeply. Break down your results by device, by source, intent, by location. Always check lead quality. Don't rush the conclusions. Okay, and always watch out to false winner. And third step is skill competitive. Once you have a real winner, apply it to the right signals. Expand on what's working. Increase budgets or winner. So and then build your next start. Okay. So, and here is the golden rule. If I want to remember, don't ask which ad get more clicks. Always ask which person created more qualified leads and book jobs at a better cost. Okay. So always just ask this. Okay. So this is the question that grows your business. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone who runs Googleers. And if you want to go deeper. So comment below or check the description for more resources. I will see you in the next one. Take care.